Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I bid to our semiconductor devices lecturer, Dr. Farizan Binti Munajat. Today, I want to present about integrated circuit Mesfet technology. As an introduction, Mesfet is a metal semiconductor field effect transistor. It's a field effect transistor semiconductor device similar to a JFET with a Schottky metal semiconductor junction instead of a PN junction for a gate. The Mesfet is a high performance form of field effect transistor that is used mainly for exacting microwave application. So basically there are two types of structure of Mesfet. First is a non-self-aligned source and drain. For this form of Mesfet, the gate is placed on a section of the channel. The gate contact does not cover the whole of the length of the channel. The source and drain contacts are normally formed before the gate. The second structure is a self-aligned source and drain. This form of structure reduces the length of the channel and the gate contact covers the whole length. This can be done because the gate is formed first, but in order that the annealing process required after the formation of after the formation of source and drain areas by ion implantation, the gate contact must be able to withstand the high temperature, and this result in the use of a limited number of materials being suitable. Next is Mesfet characteristic. There are 6 characteristics of Mesfet. First is high electron mobility. The use of gallium arsenide or other high performance semiconductor materials provide for a high level of electron mobility, which is required for high performance RF application. Mesfet semiconductor technology has enabled amplifiers using this device that can operate up to 50 GHz and more, and some frequency of 100 GHz. Second is low capacitance levels. The Schottky diode gate structure results in very low stray capacitance levels, which lend themselves to excellent RF and microwave performance. Third is high input impedance. The Mesfet has a very much higher input compared to bipolar transistor. Okay, so fourth is negative temperature coefficient. The Mesfet has a negative temperature coefficient, which inhibits some of the thermal problems experienced with other transistor. 5 is a lack of oxide traps. When compared to the more common silicon MOSFET, the Mesfet does not have the problems associated with oxide traps. The last characteristics of the Mesfet is a high level of geometry control. The Mesfet has better channel length control than a JFET. The reason for this is that the JFET requires a diffusion deep process to create the gate, and this process is far well from defined. The more exact geometries provide a much better and more repeatable product, and this enables very small geometries to RF microwave frequency to cater for. So the lastly is application of Mesfet. There are 6 type of application of Mesfet. First is satellite communication, radar, cell phones, microwave communication links, commercial optoelectronics, military radar device, and communication. So that's all from me. Thank you.